Hello my Pinkee Pals, welcome back to another video where we create doodles and mess up our videos. So that leaves us having to do voiceover in the middle of the night again. I don't know what happened. Even my preview starts later than it should have. And I think there was a point where everything just shut off completely. And I guess at some point I also just was like, I don't need voice, I don't need the sound. No need for any of that. So here we are. So we're doing wintry, Christmassy kinds of things for doodles. These are really easy. Most of them are very floofy too. So you'll see what I mean by that. Well, I mean now, I guess, because we're doing earmuffs. And they are very floofy. So is the toque or hat. Whatever you call it. Beanie? Anyway. The toque. I'm Canadian. It's a toque. So yeah, like I like to make my Christmas winter stuff kind of very like fluffy and floofy, and I don't know how else to describe it. But you'll notice that I use that kind of texture, that kind of design, I don't know what you would call it, a lot for various things. I also couldn't decide if I wanted to shade it, color it, shade it hard, I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what I was doing. But I know I had issues with it. I couldn't decide. So we're kind of doing some clothing right now. I think we're going next to like some gloves maybe. Yeah, I think so. Some middies, some little mittens. I like to do mittens on a string, but not like actually attach them so that they're useless, I guess. I don't know. I'm kind of playing like hide and seek here with my doodles because I do tend to sketch them out first and then draw them with you guys, and that can lead to some pretty hard to see doodles. I'm actually watching the video back because, like I said, I have to do voiceover, and I'm like, wow, you can actually see those on screen. Maybe can you see them too much? I don't know. But they're there, and it's the way it has to be. So that's fine. Anyway, moving on, we're doing some lights. I just thought they were cute. Some large lights. And I completely and totally forgot what I was talking about there. But anyway, Christmas cracker. I don't know if you guys have Christmas crackers or use them a lot, but... Oh, and this is where everything went black. Just some fun, a little detour for us. Just a fun little, oh, what do you do? Don't check out everything, but there you go. That was fun. And apparently I'm just going to leave it in the video while I talk about it. Yeah, it's fine. Anyway, Christmas cracker, I put like the floofy ends at the end. I don't know why, but apparently that's to me the same thing as paper all crumpled up at the ends. It's fine. We've got some holly going on next. And I hope you guys like the like little doodle up in the right, left, right. It would be your right. Up in that corner because like I just think that at least, you know, when it works, it allows you to see it without my hand being in the way. So that's why I did it. But if you don't like it, let me know. Anyway, yeah, so a lot of really good doodles. Right now we're doing like a mug of coffee or a mug of hot chocolate, whatever you want, really. Anything that's hot. Whatever your Christmas, winter, holiday go-to drink is. Mine is like a nice hot apple cider or a really nice white chocolate, like a white hot chocolate, and then you put like a chai tea bag in there. Oh my god, it's so good. Yeah, so you know, whatever drink you want. We're on candy canes now. This is how quick we're going, and I'm just talking about a drink. Candy canes, I hate them. I hate drawing them. I love eating them, but I don't like to draw them. They're a pain. I just found this on the side. Can you guess what it is? I don't know. I'm going to let it go for a little. Let me know in the comment section if you can tell me what this is. 3, 2, 1. It's a string of popcorn. I thought this was, like, brilliant. I don't know if anybody else would think this, but I thought it was adorable. I thought it was cute. I used to do that with a lot of pixels when I used to draw pixels. And then, oh, here I'm trying to describe this kind of bow. It's like a floofy bow. A floofy is the word of the day. If you've gotten this far in the video, make sure you put floofy in the comments so that we all know you got here. Use it in a sentence. Hey, and also just, you know, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all that stuff, because why wouldn't you? This is Really good content. I like to do a stack of gifts. I never the boxes are always just boxes and the lids are a little whatever. I didn't like the way this was looking, so I'm going to redo it. But I like to do these kind of like tree boxes, and I like to give each box like their own little design. I don't know what my jazz hands are for there. Now we're going to do like little creatures, which there's some like, there's like some creatures that are for Christmassy. I mean, everybody knows about the Christmas toad, right? Like, everybody knows that. Or the Christmas frog. You know what? There's probably, like, a tradition where a Christmas frog or a Christmas toad is a thing. And I would love to know about that tradition. But anyway, I'm drawing a toad. Or a frog. I don't know why I keep doing the sweep of the hands. I'm sure it was riveting at the time. But I've since forgotten it. But yeah, so There's a little frog. I think he's just so cute. I love drawing frogs. I'm not really great at them. They always kind of come out a little wonky doodle, but I think they're adorable either way. I love seeing other artists do frogs because they just do them so much better. So, yeah, a little Christmas frog for you. A little Christmas toad. Whatever you like. I don't know. But these are really good for like any kind of like journal or just to draw if you're like bored and you just want to draw something. I think these are great. I love some of the themes in this. Like a snowman is a great theme. If you could draw one. I can't, but if you could draw a snowman, I think those are a really fun theme. I think like the different like decorations and stuff could be fun. The snowflakes could be fun. I really had fun with this snowman. I thought he looked pretty cute. I don't do arms on a snowman. Just personal preference. I don't know. I don't even do a mouth. He's not happy. Next up is a penguin. A penguin. I think it's adorable. It looks really derpy. I don't know what it is about my birds. They just all look super derpy, and I don't know how to fix that. But if you like it, let me know. And I actually was thinking of doing like a bird doodle page, like a whole bunch of different birds. So if you'd be interested in that, let me know. I would totally do a bird doodle kind of thing. Extravaganza. But yeah, there's my derpy little penguin. Does he even look like a penguin? I don't know. And then this is just really easy kind of like hills. And you can tell that it's winter because there's snow on the peaks, because that only happens in the winter, as we all know. Don't fact check that. I just did like little floofs for the snow. I use floofs for everything. Next I'm doing, not what I thought I was doing. I'm doing a snowflake? Yeah, that's a snowflake. Sort of, kind of, whatever. I just kind of like to do like little teardrop shapes around it, and then I do like, the little like school kind of, when you're in school and you would just do like little crissy crossies. I do that, and then just little dots. I think it's cute. Next is it. Yeah, now we're doing the Christmas tree, which I love. It's got like floofy little garland. It's got the garland around the garland. It's got garland around it. I just think it's really cute. And it takes on this like cone shape. And you could also do like little balls in there if you really wanted to. I just like it plain. I just do some garland around it. And I just think it's adorable. I'm not sure what I was pointing at there. Maybe just pointing to be like, hey, it's here. I don't know. I don't know what that was. But yeah, and then I just do like a little tree skirt. And that's pretty much it. I think that's really cute. I do another Christmas tree as well because I like them two different ways. This is a little like ornament on a ball thing, or like a line, which I think is really cool, and I think would be a really good bullet journal like doodle. I think that would be really cute to have like them hanging from the top. I don't know. I don't do a lot of bullet journaling on my page. What is this channel? It's this channel. I don't do a lot of that. If you wanted to see more, let me know. But to be honest, I think there's probably 1,000,001 better people to tell you how to bullet journal than me. But we could do something. If you guys want to try something, let me know. I would be down for that. I'm actually going to start working on a like activity book, I guess. And it's going to be something where like you can do every single day of the year. There will be some kind of activity or prompt or whatever. And it'll start with Some other stuff, I don't know. I don't want to go into it because I'm gonna like say it does this, and then I'm gonna change my mind, and then it doesn't do that. But I am working on some of that, as well as, of course, my mandala book and my tutorial book. I'm working on a tutorial book as well. So if there's any tutorials that you would like to see, now's the time to ask below, because I'm almost on the book. So, you know, let me know. Comment section is down there. Do it. Just do it. Do it. I forget what that's from. Zoolander, maybe? No. The other one that they did together. Anyway, I'm getting off topic. I love doing this kind of Charlie Brown Christmas and doing the, like, quick swoops. I think even if you're doing any, like, plants, like Christmas plants or winter plants, I think just that kind of little, like, stick with the little other stick coming off just looks good. Like, I love that. It's beautiful. Mwah. It's chef's kiss, that baby is. I'm kind of thinking I'm almost done. Oh, no, a little... Like, there's some other stuff there. Definitely at least 2 more things. This is a bell. I think the trick with bell is, like, you have to, like, do half a circle and then put the little doofer in there, which that's what you call that thing. Don't listen to me. I also, a lot of times, won't connect lines if I'm unsure of how it's going to connect. So, oh, here, I'm pointing out that I'm doing something with my hands. This is another ornament that's hanging, but it's like the ball ornament. I think that's what I was trying to point out earlier. And I give it a face. Oh my god. I think it's so freaking cute. That's adorable. Every single one of these doodles, you could probably put a face on it and just be that much cuter. I don't know why I keep zooming out so much. I think it's so I can see it. I think we only have one left, and it's a string of lights, which I really love doing. When I do a string of lights, I always put the, like, plug at the end. I think that's adorable. I don't know why. I don't know why electricity makes me think that it's adorable, but it does. And I love the idea of, like, the string of lights because you can change the way the string is. You could do, like, a corner string of lights. You could do around the page. That is something that's really super useful for people who do journaling and like to do kind of like bullet journals and stuff. Super quick, super easy. You can, like, change up the colors of each one. It's just adorable, you know? It's just adorable. I'm feeling very tired. I don't even know what I'm doing here as far as drawing goes. It looks rough. But there we go. We've got them all done. That's it. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I will see you in the next video. If you have any comments or suggestions, let me know. And hit that like button. If you're still here, I don't know why, because I'm just saying goodbye. But if you are, bye. Say bye. Bye.